Welcome to this quick guide on how to properly clean the autonomous sensors on the Nilfisk SC50. Keeping sensors clean ensures accurate performance and safe operation. Always use pre-moistened lens wipes. Never use a dry cloth as this can scratch the lens. Wipe gently from left to right. Avoid wiping up and down to prevent streaking. Carefully clean around the entire lens surface, not just the front. Make sure to clean both side-mounted LiDARs. Repeat the process for each side. Ensure these sensors are not blocked by wires, dust, or cobwebs. Carefully clean around the entire lens surface, not just the front. Make sure to clean both side-mounted LiDArs. Pay close attention to the protective teeth around the LiDARs. Debris often collects here. Next, clean all 4 drop-off detection lasers. These are critical for detecting drop-offs. Ensure all sensors are not blocked by wires, dust, or cobwebs. Gently clean the front-facing cameras and the central infrared projectors. Lastly, inspect all sensors for smudges, scratches, or remaining debris. Repeat the cleaning steps if needed. Keeping your sensors clean helps your SC50 perform at its best and keeps your cleaning routes efficient and safe. Thanks for watching. For more tips, visit our training library or contact your Nilfisk support team.